definition and at least one reaction. No need to write more explanation. No need to write more explanation. Are you get an idea what to write? Boys. Question number 1 is given. See, already 2 questions are given. Explain terms. The third question is write definition and one reaction for all types of chemical reaction from combination till the redox reaction. Combination to redox reaction, only definition and one reaction. Definition and one reaction. You get it? हाँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर मेन 2. पहिले 2 आपण कोणते घेतले बघा? डिफाइन टर्म्स अँड बॅलन्स वन इक्वेशन. बॅलन्स वन इक्वेशन वी हॅव टेकन. यस नो? हां, वेट आणखी काय सांग. हो, घेतलाय की ते फक्त जेनिक. हा क्वेश्चन मेन क्वेश्चन चेंज करा. टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन आहे ना, त्याला मेन क्वेश्चन द्या. गिव द नंबर ऑफ मेन क्वेश्चन. राइट डेफिनेशन ऑफ द गिवन रिएक्शन अँड वन रिएक्शन. एकूण पहिले किती क्वेश्चन झाले सांगा. टेल मी हाऊ मेनी क्वेश्चन्स आर बिफोर दिस. फिजिकल चेंज, केमिकल चेंज, then explain terms, then one balance reaction third, and this one will be the fourth one. This will be fourth one. Is it there? Hey, mute your voice. Who is that fellow? Finish. Then come in the second topic, 4.1. In this is the first question. First, draw a diagram. Electric generator and electric motor. Electric generator and electric motor. Draw diagram. Draw diagram. Taken that question? घेतलात का? Taken or no?
Yes, sir.
Now second question, answer the following questions. In this you will see the common one. Take first, define electric power, comma, state formula and write SI unit. See what question is there. Define electric power, state formula, write SI unit. Taken? Second, say state Joule's law of heating effect of electric current. State Joule's law of heating effect of electric current. And name any 4 appliances. Name any 4 appliances which are working on heating effect of electric current. heating effect of electric current.
Repeat.
Till read me, tell me till which point you have been taken. First, see, state Joule's law of heating effect. Joule's law of heating effect. Taken. Full stop. Name any 4 appliances working on heating effect of electric current. Working on heating effect of electric current. Second, see, what is overloading? Question mark. When does it occurs? Again question mark. What does it cause? Again question mark. How can overloading be avoided? How can be overloading avoided?
Sir, can you repeat the same question?
Yes. See, 1 minute. One member is joining. What is overloading? Question mark. When does it occurs? Again question mark. What does it cause? Again question mark. How can overloading be avoided? How can overloading be avoided? Then say state right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Then Fleming's left.
Diagram, sir.
No, only statement. Only statement. Right hand thumb rule. Next question. Write Fleming's left hand rule. Second question. Define solenoid and electric motor. Define solenoid and electric motor. Define solenoid and electric motor. Question second. In same one, continue. In this, take 2 questions, A and B. First, A, what is electromagnetic induction? What is electromagnetic induction? And B is state Faraday's law of induction. State Faraday's law of induction. Be careful. In this way, I have been taken 3 questions, 2 questions. First is what is electromagnetic induction? A, B is state Faraday's law of induction. Next now, state Fleming's. We have taken this Fleming right hand rule. Fleming's right hand rule. Fleming's right hand rule.
Left hand घेतलाय.
आता राईट घ्या. Right. And see now the examples now. Examples which are solved and given in the textbook. Tick mark all. Examples which are solved and given in textbook. See how many are there one by one.
Sir, page number 50 आणि 51 वरचे.
Wait, page number 50. both. Page number 51 both. Then I think nothing. Only 4 are there. 50 and 51. 50 and 51. Is it clear? Now come in paper second. Come in paper second. Topic third. Paper second, topic third. Life process part second. Life process part second. Life process part second. In this topic, see first question, draw diagrams. First question, draw diagrams. You can tick mark the diagrams in your book directly. All of you ready?
Sir, wait.
Wait. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Open your books. I will give the time. Open your books. I will give the time. All of you ready? Wait.
Sir. Yes.
See on page number 22. 22 and 23. Yes. Tick mark diagram first. 3.2. Then 3.5. Yes, RF table. 3.3, 3.5, 3.11, 3.11, 3.12, 3.12, 3.14, 3.12, then 3.14, 3.16, 3.17, 3.16, 3.17. Yes, finish? Boys.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now change the question, answer the following question now in the same. You see some basic questions. I think there will be no any much more questions now. In the answer the following, take first, write difference between binary fission and multiple fission. Binary fission and multiple fission. You write only 4 points. How much? 4 points, only 4. First binary fission, multiple fission. Under same question, take second B, sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. And number third, monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. There are three differences: binary multiple fission, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, monozygotic twins and dizygotic twins. Yes.
सर मग या डिफरन्स बिटवीनला वेगळाच क्वेश्चन देऊया का?
हेडिंग द्यायचं डिफरन्स बिटवीन त्या एखादं ए बी सी म्हणायचं. कळलं? पहिला क्वेश्चन काय घ्यायचा? राईट डिफरन्स बिटवीन अंडर दॅट ए बी सी. अंडर दॅट ए बी सी. फिनिश? Now question third give scientific reason. Question third give scientific reason. All of you ready? Take first. Flower is the structural unit of sexual reproduction of plants. Flower is the structural unit of sexual reproduction in plants. Finish? Flower is the structural unit of sexual reproduction in plants. Number second, fertilization in plants is called double fertilization. Fertilization in plants is called double fertilization. And last one, Indians should follow family planning for controlling the population. Indians should follow family planning for controlling the population. Now open a textbook, topic number 4. Topic number 4. Just we will see only complete the tables. Come on, page number 37. Topic 4, give the question, first question, complete the following tables. Complete the following tables. Complete the following tables. See the first table on page number 37, ecosystem. Taken? Tick mark or not? Page number 38, see factors affecting environment. Yellow color table, natural and man-made. Page number 39, complete the chart. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, tick mark that table. Page number 40, need of environmental conservation. Need of environmental conservation. And last see, page number 44, my role in environment. My role in environment. Taken? Question second, now answer the following. Question second, answer the following. Question first see, how can biodiversity be conserved? Page number 43, blue color box see. You get that question? Page number 43.
सर
Right. In exam is at least 4, but at all. Question second, come on page number 42. Define biodiversity and write the types of biodiversity. Genetic, species and ecosystem. Genetic, species and ecosystem. Written. And last one see. Write the classification of threatened species. Page number 45. 4 points. Endangered, rare, vulnerable and intermediate.
सर क्वेश्चन काय राईट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ
Threatened species. Now check your questions and tell me if any question has been remained to write. Check in both now, third and fourth. Check all, third and fourth. Then we turn toward the next. And tell me now, in the remaining now 3 days for the revision, which topic we can revise from paper 1 and paper 2. Tomorrow, I think there will be no hour period, no? Thursday, Friday and Saturday. You get the timetable, all of you? You get the timetable?
Yes.
When is our paper 1? I think on 6, no? Or 4? 4th November or 6th November?
पार्ट 2 चा लास्ट आहे
Part 1. Part 1, I think on 4 or 6. Wait, 1 minute. On 6th November, say paper 1. 6th November, paper 1. Is it there? On Friday, 6th November. And on last 11th November, paper 2nd, Wednesday. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
यस सर
Paper 1, 6th November. Paper 2, 11th November. That means it will be last one. Between these 3-4 days, we will go for the revision from 2-3 topics. All of you know the portion now. 5 topics from each. Paper 1, paper 2. From next period, you start the revision from some topics from paper 1. Objective and the short questions which are related for your terminal exam. From last topic 3, 4 and 5 in paper 1. Rather than this, see what are the questions we have taken just now. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. That means we can turn towards the next point. Still some 2-3 minutes are remain. If you have any doubts, you can ask to me. Then we can turn towards next now. Any doubt, boys? Yes.